What's the meaning of close range? Close range. Close range.
Close range. Close range. Close range refers to a short distance between two objects or individuals. This term is often used in the context of weapons or combat, where close-range combat typically involves physical contact or distances of less than 20 meters. In such situations, the use of firearms may be less effective, and hand-to-hand combat or melee weapons may be employed instead. The advantage of close-range combat is that it allows for increased control and precision, but it also puts individuals at greater risk of injury or death due to the proximity of their opponents.